Look no further than the 2019 Lexus ES. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This boldly elegant ES delivers exceptional passenger comfort. A spacious premium cabin and a host of deluxe amenities let you make the most of this midsize sedan's luxuriously smooth ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the luxury you deserve in this meticulous ES. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.